Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Pulseway, a powerful remote monitoring and management tool that IT pros love. Whether you're a business owner, IT admin, or tech enthusiast, this software makes managing your systems easier than ever. So let's begin. First of all, you need to visit the official website, which is gonna be pulseway.com. From here, you have two options. You can get a demo by clicking this small button, and you just have to provide all the information needed. Or, I highly suggest you click the free trial option, and you have steps until 4, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Fill in as much as information as you can, and then click on next. Alright, so what server is that? It's going to be North America, and click on next. And then the fourth section is going to be the server build. It's a straightforward process, and depending on your active internet connection, the loading times may vary. If in case you can't access Pulseway, you might need to use a VPN, because sometimes Pulseway has a specific geo restriction on specific location or region. Now, from here, once your server is ready, you can set up the desktop agents, set up the mobile app, and of course, you can experience Pulseway. All right? And all that, just wait, or you can simply begin doing that here. Now, you see, it takes a little while, and you just have to wait for it. But the good thing about Pulseway is that it is a remote monitoring and management, or simply RMM software that allows IT professionals to monitor, manage, and control IT systems from anywhere. Alright, so I've been using this in the past, and my client loves this specific software, so we're gonna walk you through on how to use it. Now, once it's loaded, alright, you can simply click the Go to My Server, and you will be forwarded to the main dashboard. Takes a little while, you just have to patiently wait for it. From here, you need to create a user account. So I'm gonna fill in as much as information as I can. From here, confirm the password, and then click on continue. So you need to choose the business model. Is it gonna be managed server, service provider, or other? I'm just gonna click this, click on continue. Now, this step is very important because in order for your data to be protected, you need to use a QR code, a setup URL, or secret key. Now, if you choose the setup URL, we're gonna copy this, or if you want a secret key, you also have all these information. I'm gonna use the setup URL, right, and click on continue. Now, I am using the Google Authenticator, and I receive a code. I'm gonna click on continue. And of course, you can copy all of these codes. I'm going to confirm that I save up my backup codes. I'm going to copy it in a safe place. So if you happen to be in this section, this is very, very important. All right, click on continue. And then download the mobile app if you want. Click the see available agents. All right, click on continue. Now, this is going to be the most exciting part, because from here, you are going to be welcome with the Pulseway dashboard, or the main interface. Now, you would notice that now the main dashboards is going to be a section where it provides a real-time overview of the system health. All right, you click on it in the view. You would notice that it gives you alerts and performance. It displays metrics, right? Like all system status, alerts, network devices, Linux, Mac OS, and all Windows servers. If you click the manage section, now you would notice that users can create a custom dashboards to track specific devices or metrics. All I have to do is click the create a dashboard. For example, we're going to be choosing this. All right, now you can put in an access level to the dashboard to the selected team. Is it going to be an admin, a default dashboard? If you want to click that, click the yes and public link as well. All right, now Click on next, and you can add widgets here. All right. For example, I'm wanted to create a system status here. Next is going to be active alerts. Next is going to be last alerts. For example, the next one is going to be a patch policy compliance, and of course, the patch status. Once you've done that, you should be able to create multiple information about the dashboard for your preferences and how you want it to be. All right, so I'm gonna just click all the information and click on create. So all right, so we're gonna go to the client portal because this is a section we're in. As you can see, this is where clients can submit tickets right here, check system status, and request support. It helps MSPs or managed service providers improve customer engagement by allowing clients to track and manage IT services. Of course, it can be rebranded by the MSP's logos and themes. All right, so you have all these options for you. We go now to the devices. The devices is kind of like tricky. So basically, Pulseway requires deep learning curve, but don't worry because devices is a list of all managed endpoints like servers, workstations. You can also filter options here, as you can see. Mobile devices, allowing you to remote control to troubleshoot sitemaps and device list. For example, if you need some troubleshooting issues, restart systems, and perform maintenance. Because users can categorize devices here by groups, location, and our clients. You have the groups, roles, tags, notifications, and active connectors, plus the discovery and deployment. Now, if you want to install your first agent, you are welcome to do that. You just have to select the appropriate agent for your system. Is it going to be 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on your machine? I'm going to click on close because what I wanted to do is to cancel this. We're going to be going to the automation. The automation enables IT admins to create workflows right here that automates repetitive tasks. If you want to create a workflow so that, for example, you want to automate disk cleanup and software updates, you can do it from this section. All right. Name is required. Description, for example, there's going to be the description. Click status, active. Click on next. All right. For example, high CPU. Click on create. So basically you have created a successful workflow from the automation. All right. Now doing this reduces the manual workload and of course increases efficiency. In terms of the reporting, this is a section. It's very straightforward really because you can generate reports on system health, security, incidents, compliance, and you also have the advanced templates if you want it. Because reports can be scheduled and exported in various formats, okay, like PDF, CSV, and a lot more. If you click on this plus button here, you can simply click on the report, blank RDL report, and a blank page report, depending on your preferences. Now, we're going to skip the legacy. What I wanted you to focus is the integrations. Why? Because the integrations connects you with third-party tools, all right? For example, you can go to ConnectWise right here. There's also the Slack and a lot more. The endpoint protection is going to be something that provides antivirus and security management for all managed devices. It monitors threats, malware activity right here, and a lot more. Now, in terms of the patch management, it automates software and security updates for Windows, Linux, and third-party applications. It provides reports right here on patch compliance and update history. Now, in terms of the admin sections like server, configuration, account building, and onboarding add-ons, you might want to make sure that you have an admin privileges or access before you can dive into this. Again, Pulseway is a very good platform for you so that you can have a software that would allow you and your IT professionals to monitor, manage, and control IT systems from anywhere. But the thing is, it requires deeper learning curve. Now, if you wanted to buy the plan, since we're all only using free account, all right, so these are going to be the trial expires in 21 days on March. Now, these are going to be the pricing, all right. Tiered pricing applies. All these 458, 324, 000 a lot. All right, so from here, all I have to do now is basically make sure that you discuss this information to your company, to your client, and all that. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.